In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook ads to Hubspot in just 5 minutes. This guide is aimed at helping you streamline your marketing efforts by integrating these powerful platforms. So let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your Hubspot account. This step is straightforward. Just head to the Hubspot website and enter your credentials. If you don't yet have an account, take a moment to sign up. Once you're logged in, you're ready to proceed. Now from the Hubspot dashboard, locate and click on the Marketing tab. This will open up a menu of marketing related tools and features that HubSpot offers. Here you'll select Ads. This section is where you manage everything related to your advertising endeavors through HubSpot. Once you are in the Ads section, look for the option that says Get Started with Ads. Clicking this will initiate the process of setting up your ad integrations. It's a friendly environment that guides you through connecting Facebook ads to HubSpot seamlessly. Next, you'll see an option to click on Facebook. Select this to begin the Facebook ads integration process. This step not only connects your data, but also allows for more efficient tracking and management of your ads. It's crucial for maximizing the effectiveness of your marketing strategies. Now you'll be prompted to continue with your selected Facebook account. Make sure you're logged into the Facebook account you wish to connect. If not, take a quick moment to log in before continuing. This ensures the right account is linked and avoids any potential connectivity issues. Once Facebook is in the loop, you'll have the option to select the ad account you'd like to connect. Choose the correct account from the drop-down list. This step is vital as it ensures that your HubSpot data syncs accurately with the specific ad campaigns you're targeting. Upon selecting your ad account, you'll find a button labeled Connect Accounts. Click this button to finalize the connection between your Facebook ads and HubSpot. This step officially integrates both platforms, allowing them to communicate and share data effectively. With the accounts connected, the next step is to click on Next Sync Leads. This option helps you streamline lead management, ensuring that every potential customer from your Facebook ads is seamlessly transferred to HubSpot, enhancing your follow-up capabilities. Finally, wrap up the process by clicking on Go to Ads. This will bring you to your ads dashboard where you'll see the newly connected data ready for management and analysis. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully connected Facebook ads to HubSpot, setting the stage for enhanced marketing efforts and better insights. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore the help resources available on both platforms. Happy marketing!